And this is really just another variation of it. And you want to start with about one stick of butter and 2½ tablespoons and 2/3 of a cup of sugar. And in a bowl, get that all well blended. And then with this, we want to have some eggs ready, some egg yolks and an egg. Now this cookie is a very traditional cookie, and you find it all over Italy. But the way it's made and the fillings for it will definitely vary. So mine is a variation of the ricotta-filled ones that we saw Vince doing. Now you want 3 egg yolks. So you get those in. After you have your mixture well blended, well, then you can add some lemon zest. And here's about a tablespoon of fresh lemon zest. And then 3 2/3 cups of unbleached flour with some baking soda, about 1½ tablespoons. And you get this into a soft dough. Now this is a dough that you're going to have to refrigerate because it's just too soft to use as it is. And so there's mine, and now we want to put that into some plastic wrap. Well, there it is, and here's some plastic wrap. It can go in like that, and as soon as I wash my hands, I'll put that in the refrigerator for you. And now, filling goes together very quickly. And it's really a filling that doesn't have to be refrigerated. The one that Vince was making for us, the ricotta filling, would have to be refrigerated if you were doing it ahead. So here's our dough. And let me get the chilled one. And here it is. These are called bocconotti because they're small cookies. They mean little sweet mouthfuls. You can put the whole thing in your mouth at one time. Get the dough out to a fairly nice, even thickness all the way around. And I don't know if you can see that lemon peel in there, but it's in there. And all you do is make circles, you see, just like that. And out of a dough like this, you can get, 6 or 7 dozen. So there are the circles. And now, let me move this out of the way and do jam. Now here is our filling. And here I've got, about 2/3 of a cup of grape jam. In Italy, jam is known as marmellata. And here we have 1½ cups of almonds that I've just toasted and then coarsely chopped up. And then with this, Domenica likes to have a little bit of cocoa. So that goes in. And all you do is mix that up. The last thing you need to add is some good chocolate. And here we have about 2 ounces of chocolate, semi-sweet chocolate. And all you want to do is coarsely chop this up. There's our chocolate. That goes in. And then all you have to do is mix that around. And that filling doesn't need to be refrigerated. And I tell you, it's absolutely delicious, and it has a very nice texture with the nuts and the chocolate and the jam. If you wanted to use ricotta for this, you could. But then it wouldn't be Domenica's, would it? Okay, then you put a little dab, you see? Just a little dab on each one, just like that. And then, let me wipe my hands now because we don't want this to look messy. You take the circle and just fold it into a half-moon shape, just like that, see? And make sure that you pinch those edges closed well. Then after you do that, you get out a little fork and you just go around those edges to neaten it up a little bit. Just go around the edge just like that. And then you have your oven on at 350 degrees. And you put these on a tray with the rest of them, a greased cookie sheet, and bake these at 350 degrees, for about 15 minutes or so. And then when they come out of the oven, you can eat them just like that, or you could put a dusting of confectioner sugar on them.